Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're planting peppers, hot, yellow, reds, and sweet peppers, and mixed bell peppers. And today, guys, is such a beautiful day. We have blue sky. We thank God for that. I love this kind of days. It's late spring in New Zealand. Anyway, guys, this is what I do when planting my peppers. I add sheep manure to my garden a month or 2 weeks before I plant them, and this helps for the sheep manure to release all the good nutrients they have in the soil. But I also do it on the actual day, and it still works good. But if you don't have sheep manure, you can use chicken manure or rabbit manure. Some people use horse manure, but I don't know about horse manure, but I know that sheep manure and rabbit manure works really good, and chicken manure, sorry, works really good. And on the actual day when I'm planting them, I add compost and blood and bone. The other important thing is to pick a sunny spot, and because they need 6 to 8 hours sun a day. Water them regularly throughout the season and fertilize them regularly too. I use seaweed fertilizer, and it always works for me. I always get the best harvest. If you saw in my last season, I still have a video here when I was harvesting them. I got a big harvest from peppers. Same with tomatoes. When planting your own food or growing your own food, it's important to have your own system that works for you. And for me, this system always works, where I just add sheep manure to my soil, compost and blood and bone, and using seaweed fertilizer. It always works on most of my plants. Actually, most of my plants, maybe 99%, but about 90% of my plants I use seaweed, and I use this similar method when planting my vegetables, and always works. Except my potatoes, I treat them different. And that's about it, guys. So make sure you find the system that works for you. Make it as simple as it can be. Don't make it too difficult for you. And make sure you pick the kind of peppers that you love. Don't just plant any pepper or any other plants. Make sure you plant something that you eat and they're your favorites. That's what I'm trying to say. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. But before we go, I just want to appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate, and thank you for subscribing and for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. And also, guys, keep an eye on pets and diseases, and see you in the next video.